Singapore International School.
Hello my dear students, welcome to my video. I hope you are all fine. In my previous video, I have explained about the basic things of materials, which is basically non-living things. Today my topic is living things. Actually the material can be classified into two types. One is living things and another one is non-living things. So my today's lecture will be in living things. So let's start. So first, what is living things? Living things are those who have life. For example, the human being, all the animals, the plants, the insects, they are all living things. Now come to the point. There are some features through which we can easily say that okay, this thing is a living thing. Today we will learn about those features. So we'll start. First feature is a living thing can breathe. You already know that what is breathe. That means we can take oxygen from our nose. Like we are human, we are taking oxygen from our nose. Like this, all the animals, for example, the cats, the dogs, the elephants, all the insects, they also breathe. The plants also breathe through their leaves, and also they produce oxygen through it. Another feature is movement. A living thing can move very easily. We are moving, we can walk, we can run. Like this, the animal can also walk, the animal can run. The elephants, the tiger, the lion, all the things, they can walk, they can run, they can move. Though the plants cannot move, but it is also a living thing. Another feature is the plants can grow. For example, the living things can grow. For example, we are human being. One day we were a baby. From a baby, we are now in this stage. You are a children. One day you will be grown up like me. Like this, a kitten can grown up to an adult cat. For example, I will show you my cat. I have a cat. I have actually 3 cats. So this is my cat. This is also a living thing. Yes, look at this. This is a living thing. My cat is a living thing, so it can easily walk. It can breathe. It can also move. Right? Okay. So the kittens can grow to an adult cat. A baby cub can grow to an adult tiger, and baby elephant can grow to an adult elephant. A baby insect can also grow to an adult insect. Like this, plants can also grow from a seed. From a seed, a small plant can grow, and from a small plant, it can be a big tree. Like this, fish can also grow, because from a baby fish, it can be grown to a adult fish. Okay, fish can breathe through their gills, and they can also move. They move by swimming in the river or in the water. And fish can also grow from a baby fish. That means from a spawn, it can grow to an adult fish. So another feature is a living things can eat. Yes, this is very easy. We can already see that we are eating, we are growing. All the animals are eating. The tree cannot eat, but the tree makes their own food with the help of the sun, the oxygen, and in their leaves. So like this, these are all the features of living things. There is another one which I forgot to say, that is reproduction. Living things can reproduce. How? That means reproduce means to have a baby. Suppose we came from our mother, that means we were a baby. An egg can be hatched to a chick, and from that chicks it can be an adult chicken, hen or cock. So these are all the features of living things. So again, what are the features of living things? A living thing can breathe, a living thing can move, a living thing can eat, a living thing can grow, and a living thing can reproduce. Let's see some pictures of the living things. Look at your book. The page number is 42. Here all the pictures of living things. The first one is a chicken. Yes, this is a living thing. Another one is a snake. This is an animal, and this is also a living thing. This is a cat. I have already shown you my cat. So this is a living thing. A baby, human baby. This is a living thing. A fish, an insect, a big tree, a small bushes. These are all living things. So today we have learned about the living things and the features of living things. That's all for today. In my next video, I will describe about another topic, which is non-living things. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.